right, Todd's back. It is Thursday, creeping towards the weekend, and going to deal with some weather-ish today.
It's rainy, it's snowy,
good.
It's sleety,
good.
It's crummy. That's spring in Maine, right? That about sums it up.
That's bad news. This is good news. We want to give you a quick update on our new Center Maine blood drive from the 5 locations across the state. All of you donated 171 units of blood yesterday. That could potentially save up to 513 lives. 513, that's amazing. We want to thank all of you who were able to come out and donate. If you didn't donate, but you still want to, you can find a date and a time, redcrossblood.org. So thank you for that.
It's so great that we filled all the slots on the day that it happened, but we'd love to have even more spillover, into the drives that are coming up and the regular locations where you can go and give. So if you can, it'd be a great thing to do.
See, that was happier than what you're going to talk about.
Yeah, glad you stepped in there and did that, because I was going in a darker place. But we got to go back to that dark place. Winter weather advisories for a good chunk of the state until tomorrow morning for northern Maine and the mountains. The ones that are closer to the coast in places like Lewiston and Sebago Lake area will be dropped probably around noon or this afternoon. First wave of precip coming in now. A lot of it is in the frozen form as we have a wedge of cold air over the state, which is going to take a little while to erode. I did pop on the temps here so you get an idea of where I think we're going to end up with some problems, a few problems this morning. They will not occur along the coastline. Even though sleet pellets are mixing in, it's 37 in New Harbor, it's 34 in Bath, it's 37 in Portland, it's 39 down in Wells. As you go inland, though, where there's more sleet and snow and colder temperatures, better opportunity for accumulation, not only on decks and on, the gas grill, but also on sidewalks, driveways, and some roads too are likely going to need a treatment this morning. Sebago just 33, Naples is 32, Lewiston 33, Turner is 32, and we stay right around that temp as you head up through the Oxford Hills and into the western Maine mountains. Eastern Maine, we're just now starting to saturate the air, starting to see a few light snowflakes in the Bangor area, snowflakes mixed with raindrops and sleet pellets closer to the coast, steadier snow for Plymouth, Newport, back through Waterville and Augusta, probably some pellets in there too. Same thing down along the mid-coast, but the temperatures are at or below freezing, so there could be slippery spots for eastern Maine at the onset as well. We'll eventually erode this cold air that's in place, but we won't get into the warm sectors, so we're going to stay with these chilly drops for the afternoon and evening, and then finally that low swings overhead tonight with the final wave of precip. So let's go through the timeline here so you get the gist of what's happening. First wave crosses the state this morning, temps hovering near 32. Treatments may be required and needed. Salt, sand for traction, that kind of thing. Midday, the rain line creeps north through Lewiston, Augusta up to about Bangor. Temps barely move though, so some lingering slippery spots are likely through the middle of the day away from the coast. And we're going to see a bit of a lull in the action this afternoon and evening, but we're still getting rain showers, sleet showers, and snow showers. I think the commute this evening though will be better with mostly just wet roads thanks to the lighter precip and also road treatments that we're going to get this morning from the crews that'll be out there. Sorry they got to go out again. It's late in the season, I know. All right, we pick up the story around midnight. Showers continue, and then boom, some heavier rain between midnight and about 3 o'clock in the morning. This is when we'll get some steadier snow in the mountains in far north. It's gone, though, by about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon looks a lot better with some sunshine developing. Snow map essentially unchanged. Snow mixed with some sleet will accumulate across the states. Today and tonight, we'll get about 6 inches for northern Maine, 3 inches western Maine mountains, 1 to 3 for the hills and the highlands, and then everyone else, you get like a coating of sleet or slushy, something like that, on the grass mostly and not so much on the roads. Better tomorrow, pretty good on Saturday. Sunday, an Arctic front comes in, a rain shower in the afternoon, and then bam, we get hit hard by some cold air. Early next week, and most of next week actually looks really cold with temps only in the 30s, which is about 10 degrees below average. Pretty cold stuff for the end of March and early April. Here's the marine forecast. Small crafts are up for the seas that are building and for the winds that are picking up out of the southeast. Mixed precip and rain today, tonight, tomorrow morning. I showed you who's going to get what. Tomorrow afternoon, we break out with a little sunshine, 45 to 50. On Saturday, we start with sun, we end with clouds, similar temps, upper 40s, an isolated shower on Sunday, so most of the weekend is fine. Early next week, though, you'll be reaching for gloves, hats, and winter, the winter gear, the heavier jacket, the puffy one. It's going to be cold,
all the
really
stuff
cold.
I put away, you mean?
Pretty much, yeah.
okay.
Or
You
buried
know
in the
better than
closet.
that. I
No,
don't
but
believe
it's a
it.
state of mind. It made me feel
Right.
good to do it.
Yeah,
Right.
I hear you.
And then I'll be annoyed. Pull it back out. All right.